Invest in Africa. Now is a channel that helps you succeed with your industrial investment. Today, we're diving into an exciting and potentially very lucrative business idea, starting a construction business in Africa. With rapid urbanization and development across the continent, the construction industry offers numerous opportunities. In this video, we'll cover everything from the basics of starting your business, including brick-making machines and how to make bricks, to exploring various profitable sectors within the construction industry. Plus, we'll share effective marketing strategies to ensure your success. Let's get started. Starting a construction business in Africa. The construction industry in Africa is booming due to increased infrastructure development and urbanization. Starting a construction business can be highly profitable, but it requires careful planning and strategic execution. In this video, we'll guide you through the essentials of setting up your construction business, from initial planning and brick-making to identifying profitable sectors and implementing effective marketing strategies. First, let's talk about the initial planning and research needed to start your construction business. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to understand the demand for construction services in your target area. Identify potential customers, such as property developers, government projects, and private homeowners. Competitor analysis. Analyze your competitors to understand their strengths and weaknesses. Look for gaps in the market that you can fill with your unique services. Business plan. Create a detailed business plan outlining your business model, target market, services offered, pricing strategy, and financial projections. This will serve as your roadmap and help you secure funding if needed. Legal requirements. Research the legal requirements for starting a construction business in your country. This may include registering your business, obtaining necessary licenses, and understanding tax obligations. Brick-making is a crucial part of the construction industry. Let's explore how to set up your brick-making operation. Choosing the right location. Select a strategic location for your brick-making facility. It should be easily accessible to raw materials and your target market. Investing in brick-making machines. There are various types of brick-making machines available, including manual, semi-automatic, and fully automatic machines. The choice depends on your budget and production capacity needs. Manual brick-making machines. Ideal for small-scale operations with low initial investment. Semi-automatic brick-making machines. Suitable for medium-scale operations with moderate investment. Fully automatic brick-making machines. Best for large-scale operations with high production capacity. Raw materials. Common raw materials include clay, cement, sand, and water. Ensure a steady supply of high-quality materials to maintain consistent brick quality. Production process. The brick-making process involves mixing raw materials, molding, drying, and firing. Each step must be carefully controlled to produce durable bricks. Now let's explore various sectors within the construction industry where you can make money. Residential construction. Building homes is a major sector. Focus on affordable housing projects, as there is a high demand across Africa. Commercial construction. Constructing office buildings, shopping centers, and hotels can be very profitable, especially in urban areas. Infrastructure projects. Government-funded projects such as roads, bridges, and public buildings offer lucrative opportunities. Industrial construction. Building factories, warehouses, and industrial parks is another growing sector due to increasing industrialization. Renovation and remodeling. Offering renovation and remodeling services for existing buildings can also be a profitable niche. Effective marketing is key to attracting and retaining customers. Here are some strategies tailored for the African market. Starting our construction business was challenging, but with the right strategies and a dedicated team, we've grown significantly. Our focus on quality and customer satisfaction has been key to our success. Now that we understand the components, let's walk through the step-by-step process of making bricks using an automatic brick-making machine. Preparation of raw materials. The first step is preparing the raw materials. Ensure you have high-quality materials such as clay, sand, cement, and water. These materials are fed into the raw material feeder. Mixing. The materials are then mixed in the mixing unit to create a homogeneous mixture. Consistent mixing is essential for the quality of the final bricks. Molding. The mixture is transferred to the molding system, where it is shaped into bricks using predefined molds. The hydraulic or mechanical press then applies pressure to form solid bricks. Drying, curing. The molded bricks are transported via the conveyor belt to the drying or curing area. This step is crucial for the bricks to attain their desired strength and durability. Depending on the materials used, this can involve air drying or steam curing. Quality control. Each batch of bricks undergoes quality control checks to ensure they meet the required standards. This includes checking for uniformity, strength, and any defects. Packaging and storage. Finally, the bricks are packaged and stored for transportation to the construction sites or sales points. Starting a business with automatic brick-making machines involves several key steps. Let's break them down. Market research. Local advertising. Use local advertising channels such as newspapers, radio, and community boards to promote your bricks. Highlight the quality, durability, and affordability of your products. Online presence. Create a professional website showcasing your products, services, and contact information. Use social media platforms to reach a wider audience and engage with potential customers. Networking. Network with local construction companies, developers, and builders. Attend industry events and trade shows to showcase your bricks and build relationships. Customer testimonials. Encourage satisfied customers to provide testimonials and reviews. Positive feedback can significantly influence potential buyers. Sales representatives. Consider hiring sales representatives to promote your bricks to construction sites and hardware stores. They can provide personalized service and build long-term client relationships. Promotions and discounts. Offer promotions and discounts to attract new customers and encourage bulk purchases. Loyalty programs for repeat customers can also drive sales. Conduct thorough market research to understand the demand for bricks in your area. Identify your potential customers, such as construction companies, property developers, and local builders. Business plan. Develop a detailed business plan outlining your business model, target market, pricing strategy, and financial projections. This plan will guide your operations and help attract investors. Securing funding. Determine your startup costs and secure funding. This can come from personal savings, loans, grants, or investors. Ensure you have enough capital to cover the cost of machines, raw materials, and initial operating expenses. Choosing the right machine. Select the type of automatic brick-making machine that suits your business needs and budget. Consider factors such as production capacity, level of automation, and machine quality. Setting up the facility. Set up a production facility with adequate space for the machines, raw materials, and finished bricks. Ensure it meets all safety and regulatory requirements. Sourcing raw materials. Establish reliable suppliers for high-quality raw materials. Negotiate favorable terms and ensure a steady supply to avoid production delays. Hiring and training staff. Hire skilled workers to operate the machines and manage the production process. Provide comprehensive training to ensure they are proficient in using the equipment and maintaining safety standards. Quality control. Implement strict quality control measures to ensure your bricks meet industry standards. Consistent quality will build your reputation and customer trust. Once your production is set up, it's time to market and sell your bricks. Here are some effective strategies. Starting a successful construction business in Africa is a rewarding journey that combines entrepreneurship with providing a valuable service to your community. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more business ideas and tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Leave your comments and questions below, and we'll be happy to respond. See you next time.